Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install your ForexHost VPS on your smartphone. Step number one is to open up your App Store and download the application Microsoft Remote Desktop. It's the top app. Once you install and download, simply open it. And here's where you're going to add in your credentials that ForexHost VPS has sent you via email. Hit the plus button in the top right corner, desktop, host name or IP address. Now all you need to do is go back to your email from ForexHost, copy, and paste. Now hit save. Click the remote desktop. Add in your username and password, which is also back in the email. Username administrator and password. Store your username and password so it'll save, and click done. Accept. And now you have successfully installed the ForexHost VPS on your smartphone.